Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to split text to column in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so in this example we have these names, and what we want is split the text, the names in the column, and we want to split the names into first name and last name, which are separate columns, and as you can see here. So how we can do this? So all we have to do is use split text to columns feature here. So what you have to do is first select the column you want to split the text from, and of course you can do this not just with names and with spaces between the text, but you can do this any kind of other characters, so dots, with commas, with any other character, but in this case we have these names. So what we have to do is click on data and select split text to columns, and then we get this separator. So we have to select what is the separator we want to use to split the text in these columns, and in this case we have to select space, but as I mentioned you can use semicolon, use a custom character or period as well. So in this case we're going to use space, and as you can see the names have been split to two columns. The first one is the first name and the second one is the last name. And of course this also works with not just one separator. So if you have three names in a column like Emily, Johnson, Brown, then you can also split text into three columns if you have two separators. So this is a really useful feature. Hope you found it useful, and all in all this is how to split text to columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.